Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a last minute Christmas decor, like DIY. I've only done one the whole holiday season, so I'm like, let me just show this one because it's really pretty and it was super cheap, and you can do this like in an hour if that. So you know those Nutcrackers that Dollar Tree has? Yeah, they don't probably match with anything, or if they do, you're probably over like the traditional look. I know I was, so I glammed them up a bit, and this is them. They're so pretty. They have rhinestones and their capes. Yeah, so if you're interested, just stay tuned and you'll see all that you need to make these. All right, so I have everything off, like the hair, and then like the pieces that are also included. And mine is broken. I didn't notice that, so I'm gonna have to glue it. So yeah, that's what you get though when you go to Dollar Tree to buy them. So I'm just going to paint them white first, like a base of white, and then I'll go on to the next step. So I kept going back and forth with like what I wanted to decorate these with, and I decided to just use this sheet of rhinestones. Again, this came from Dollar Tree too. I have a bunch of like rhinestones and things that I have just collected that I don't use, and I might incorporate them into something, but I think I'm just going to cut strips of this, and sometime today I will, like throughout the day, I'll glue it on here. So I'm probably just gonna start like around the trim on the hat and glue it away. I have some hot glue. I have my hot glue gun, and then I also have some adhesive right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and then I will show you what I come up with. So I'm just finishing up the leg on it, and just to show you, I'm just wrapping this diamond wrap, and then I'll just glue the back of it. But try to line up your diamonds, your rhinestones, so that they're all like going in one direction on the front. And that's it. Alrighty, so this one is done. I ended up like cutting a piece of fabric and just like cutting it and folding it, and then just gluing it to the back. And then I just did the same thing to the little spear thingy that they hold. I don't know what that's even called. Turn it up a little bit. There you go. Then I put a little poof ball on it. And then I just used a black eyeliner for the eyes. And I put some glitter paint right there on the cheeks. And that's it. I think it's super cute. So this matches much better. So here's like a little close-up of the feet. Again, it's just this same little fabric that I just cut and put right there. Nothing that really needed a tutorial. It's super easy. So you guys can see it okay. Here we go. There it is. So I'll show you everything once I sit it with the rest of my decor. And yeah, I'm gonna move on to the other one, this one.